You want attention? Man. Can't I just talk to that? You're stealing my show, man. Yeah, it's you. We know. Okay. Yeah, I used to be cute too, a long time ago. Believe it or not, I actually had curly blonde hair as a kid. All right, we're gonna go. Sorry you just missed it. She doesn't like to wait for the start button. But what she was laughing about was the fact that this kid over here and this kid, how you doing? And that one.
Junior, on top of cheese on fees.
May you push me off?
Me push you off, me tell us I have some pine from the may reach down there, so good luck. See, share there.
Bonding is growing already, and it's been an interesting ride. But you might have noticed, if you caught the short little clip, the plantains didn't go on the stove today. Somebody decided to finish the gas yesterday and was insistent that we not buy any more for some reason.
I did not. Stop telling me I'm picking people.
I'm a pickney person. Eat your pickled peppers there, PD. Anyway, so we're gonna try boiled plantains in the rice cooker today. Sonia thinks it's gonna work. What she's trying to say is watch and see to see if it's going to work. Morning. Almost forgot. The other day we had a birthday celebration, a couple of weeks in the making. I know that cake that you probably saw me carrying diligently the other day when somebody asked me what did I carry when everybody else carried stuff. I reminded them I carried their cake. It's a face of excited cake right there. Oh, speaking of cake, there's probably some left in the fridge. He's a tough one to crack, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna start the new segment called Snap, Crackle, and Pop, because that's the three amigos that we got going on around here. Which one are you?
I'm telling you, snap, pop, and crack you.
What did you say? Oh my gosh, no. Okay, history lesson for everybody here. You guys ever heard of Rice Krispies?
Rice Krispie cake? Yes.
Rice Krispies, the cereal.
Yes, I know Rice Krispies.
Okay, there are 3 characters on the box. They are called Snap, Crackle, and Pop.
Snap, crackle, and pop. Yeah, snap, my crackle, I'm a pop. In ball a lot.
So
you don't know Dave what? Dave the
David,
rice.
I don't know. She hadn't even had coffee yet. We're gonna get started now, right? Tough crowd today, dear.
They pop the one.
Here we go. What? Why are your socks outside? Oh, you left them outside? Meanwhile, Junior here has started the list. Craig, what's the list?
Dada, what if we get for breakfast? Ham and cheese and this on it?
No, you're not getting a bun and cheese for breakfast because you're already getting bun and cheese for snack. Some actual real food. I don't know. Do you want porridge? Do you want different types of cereal? Do you want eggs? Do you want what? Popcorn porridge? You ever heard of popcorn porridge?
Pecan porridge.
Corn porridge. You mean corn porridge?
I know I'm get out of bed before for long and boil the porridge. You know that porridge is long ago?
Ooh. Do I know how to boil? I can YouTube with the rest of them.
Hey, I'm spell porridge.
What letter does it start with, Junior? What letter does it start with?
P.
They have in a porridge mix.
O. P. O.
You just go to the room with your socks and carry back in.
P. O. P. O. P. O. P. O.
R.
P. R.
What?
Where are you going, Dave?
P. R. What?
R.
Yeah.
Another R.
Oh my God.
We're gonna get out of here sometime this morning. Okay, I guess it works. Plantains in the rice cooker. And why you need it fixed? Have to go to school. Hey guys. Okay, fun morning this morning. Every single one of them, solid C-. That's it, across the board. We're doing one of those group project grades where like everybody gets the same one. Cause wow, they took their sweet time to get going.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Hi. But we did it.
50.
It's amazing because not only do they have to get a trim for an ID photo, then they have to get burger because it's burger day today. Then they gotta get taxi and they gotta get regular stuff. Whew. Dave's still trying to figure out how much he needs, and the taxi's here. Look at this VIP service. Pretty impressive. How much?
17.
$1,700 to send a kid to school. Can you believe it? Look at that face. You gotta be kidding me. benefits of rural Jamaica living. Just like that. $4,200 later. As long as I can figure out how to get the safety cap thing off. We got a new 30-pound thing of gas. How you doing? Yes, let there be lights. Yeah, that's what happens. Your neighbor sells you gas. You don't even have to go to the shop to get it. It's a face of happy gas right there. It's like she's a statue.
What?
Nothing, dear. You're doing great. Meanwhile, quick update. I'll get you guys a more detailed version in just a little bit, but huge developments in the coop. Spent some time on it yesterday. I'll give you the distant view. It probably looks a lot better than when you get close up. There it is. She's got a roof. She's got a perch. She's got zinc. She got more wood than you can imagine. Yeah, bit of a doozy, but she's coming along. We'll do a full tour in just a little bit. Just like that, I'm being challenged by my better half. She doesn't seem to think that I can actually stand up in this coop. Do you, dear?
Nope.
No. So we're gonna go prove a point right now. Checking the leaderboard again. Tyler's at 3,043. Sonia wondering what smells. That's probably her score.
Mom. No, me no stink.
Let's go. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Proving Sonia wrong edition, as we like to call it. Sonia, this is where the door's going. Oh, by the way, guys, here's the coop. Door's gonna go right here. Sonia's gonna stay out there. And I walk in, and look! It's above my head. It's above my head. Woohoo! Honey, I'm listening now. What were you saying?
Nothing is not going to go this way.
No, this is open, frolicking chick space. This is for all the chicks to do what chicks do best. This is the actual coop. By the way, we decided to go with 1, 2, 3, 4 nesting boxes. They say a 2x4 is the best perch for chickens, so that's up there. 18 inches raised off of the coop bed and above the nesting boxes, as Google said I should do. That's the face of amazement right there.
Don't ask me no questions.
Oh, trust me, dear. I'm not asking you any questions. I'm just asking myself.
Yeah.
How am I so amazing?
I don't know. Better than me.
That's recorded.
So.
So hear me out with the vision, right? So we're gonna have door right here, a 2-foot door. We're gonna have a ply right here, board, where I can open this up, be able to clean out the coop. Solid Texas going all the way across here with a nice little kitchen,
Yes,
chicken, door right here, ladder going down to the open play area. I'm going to do a piece of Solitex right here because this overhang's not going to get too much rain on here. And then we'll do Solitex back here. I'm actually going to cut out most of the top of this so that we can put mesh there to allow the airflow through the back. And that side over there is going to have this zinc piece because most of the rain always comes from that side. And then we'll finish out the mesh down there on the bottom. Everybody will be happy and we'll have eggs in no time, right? Oh boy. What came first, the coop or the chicken?
The foundation for chicken them. If
Nice.
you're on a foundation.
Meanwhile, while we're back here, gotta check the pepper farm. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, you get a slow-mo. Meanwhile, Sonia in the wilderness. Go for it, dear. Can you give us a brief explanation as to what you're doing? You're what?
In the ackee and the lowling because I don't climb.
Right, but why did you pick those and not those?
Which one?
The ones in your hands. Can we get
I picked these.
You're such a great hand model. Look at these.
Open.
So for those playing at home that don't know what you're talking about, now would be a good time to give us some Jamaican expertise on what it is you're talking about.
The ackee is open. When it's open like this, I pick them. If it's closed, they don't pick it because it can be poisonous. You don't want to eat close up ackee.
Yes, so
Yeah,
those you leave alone.
Yeah, you prefer pick
These, oh, you get a slow-mo, guys. You got to. Check that out. Good job, dear. You did great. Oh yes, Sonia's first plants back to life and back to reality. She did it. They're all congested and should be transplanted soon. Something tells me it doesn't smell. Not gonna stop you from trying. Okay, they're looking pretty promising, these tomatoes. It's been a rough several weeks, but I think today's the day we're gonna send them out to join their older brothers and sisters in the world of tomatoes. Yeah. Whew, okay. Kids are off to school enjoying some peace and quiet on the coconut tree veranda, now that I can call it, because I can see them again. Thank you, goodbye awning. But that's not why we're here, Sonia.
So what are you going to do with the awning in my house?
I'm not worried about the awning. I'm here to show evidence. So you know when you have children in the house and things start to magically fall apart? Yeah, you see that? That's actually twofold. That is the partial remains of not only the fan that the boys had at their house that never worked, but also the base of our fan. Because Sonia went to turn the fan on yesterday or the day before, and the thing just fell over, and the base was broken, and nobody was responsible. Nobody knew what happened. But we now have a piecemealed fan from the base of the old fan where the top didn't work to the top of our old fan that the base was broken. And good thing we never threw it away, because now the fan works again. Gotta keep on your toes, man. Those mystery items of things that magically break and nobody knows how it happened. Hey, Sonia?
Did you know it broke?
Nope.
Okay, then just broke and kept standing up straight and say, okay, nobody. When I turn on the fan, you see them on the fan.
And we're outnumbered, man, so we gotta look for backup. So, welcome to what I'd like to call our new construction project, chicken coop therapy, also known as custom coops, because this has definitely been piecemealed together by all of the bits and pieces and scraps, that we've had lying around, and it's kind of fun to try and figure out, how can you piece things together. Never mind the good exercise. Like we did this yesterday for several hours while the children were away, and I was amazed at how much patience I had last night for all of the antics. We did a lot of schoolwork, played some games, had dinner together. And today, the children were very animated this morning, and we got them off to school. So I'm gonna enjoy, we'll call it maybe the endorphin highs of continuously sawing wood to vent my frustrations. Oh well. nice thing about being ambidextrous is you get tired with one hand, you just switch and get an even workout. Oh, maybe. Although the right hand's definitely started it off. Sometimes you gotta finish what you started. 1 minute while we focus. So then you get the groove of something, you don't want to stop because things are flying, things are happening. Of course, with every good saw, you always get to the end, which the end, I guess, is the end of one thing is the start of another, isn't it? Something like that. Then you gotta figure out which piece you actually wanted to use. Yeah, and you try not to split that, but custom coops, man. That's what we got. If all else works, will fit. That is not the piece. Tries take two. All right, see you on the other side. Okay, we're gonna put Humpty Dumpty together here. See how it goes. Make sure we cross our T's and dot our I's and leave some vent space up top for some airflow. She's gonna work right about there. And then, as Andre would say, go for it. Nice. All right. Cool. Boy. Nice. A few shims along the way. And that'll be good. We're gonna put mesh up there. And then this is gonna be our door. We'll be able to open up, clean it out, put it back in. Could work, right? Well, we got as much done as we can right now. We got a side piece put in. Got the door cut out for here. Gonna go grab some hinges there. Mesh going there. We'll put some of the solid text, as my wife calls it, up top there. Butter boxes are there. Zinc's gonna go on this side, which is right there. Gotta go get some zinc nails and some filler. And then mesh all around the bottom. And then a door and a ladder. Yeah, we gotta make a ladder to get from the ground. Started from the bottom, and now we're here. Now we get to wait for the wife to be done with laundry so we can go and get everything. All in all, I'd say chicken therapy for the day was paid off so far. See you sometime soon, hopefully. Meanwhile, while we wait for Sonia to get ready to go to Highgate, guess who's here? You wanna say hi? Got a mouthful of juice? How was your day? What'd you do? Did you have fun? What'd you eat?
Yeah.
What'd you eat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Good talk. And okay, a little later than anticipated, but we are out and about with a special someone jumping around.
You want to go play or play notarized for this first?
I love how she talks like she thinks that you can hear her. That's what I get every day. She doesn't realize.
Are you going up a Peter Paul place first?
She wants to know where we'd like to get off on the taxi. This is where I already know how this works. And I just say, wherever you'd like, dear. What? Come here. You want attention? Man. Can't I just talk to them? You're stealing my show, man. Yeah, it's you. We know. Okay. Yeah, I used to be cute too, a long time ago. Believe it or not, I actually had curly blonde hair as a kid. All right, we're gonna go. Hands up. Yeah, you're under arrest, pal. Let's go. So, good news. We got latches, we got hinges, we got cars. Yeah, we got, what else do we get? We got zinc nails, some stop, what's it called? Loops, stop leak. Honey, we got a lecture from our wife on why we bought things we probably didn't need. At which point I would say, I know what that's like. And now we get to go to her favorite store. Your turn, dear. Get him. Peace and quiet time. Happy afternoon. Got a few hours, not even, a few 30 minutes, an hour tops before the little ones return. So Hope you got an afternoon coffee. You're gonna need it, I tell myself. You know what that means? It's also second leftover. Hello. Have that peace and quiet. Hi. You got something to say? Okay, thank you. Now it's my turn. Okay. Here we go.
Yes, it's finished. All done. Go to bed. Go feed some of what to you.
4 o'clock. Kids are coming home soon, so we're trying to improve our game plan here, our strategy, right? We're outnumbered, so we gotta think smarter, not harder, or something like that. So with the chore chart, I've decided we're gonna just actually name what chore they're designated for the day, and then they can tally it off and put the dollar amount once they complete it. So today, Dave's responsible for sweeping out the rooms. Craig's responsible for either washing or packing the place, depending upon what's needed. And Junior's gonna wash the walls, because Junior likes, when I say wash the walls, I mean take a rag and rub them down, because Junior likes to put his hands all over the walls, and they're not exactly the cleanest hands I've ever seen, so he's on wall duty today. But now that there's 3 of them, if you guys have ideas on what other additional chores that are age appropriate that they could participate in, we've got to basically come up with 15 a week. And obviously some are more repetitive than others each day. Hi honey, did you want in? I got you. Honey, getting her chores. Make sure you put your chore chart money on the board when you're done.
20,000 now?
Honey, you give me. That's like better than money. So if you guys have any ideas, and we could try to generate a list of chores that, again, we could get them designated for the week, put in the comments. Thanks. Yo! Put it down. Walk away slowly. Walk away slowly. 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 I don't like your tone, sir. Put the shoes off. Shoes.
Looking at it.
Shoes.
No, just looking at it.
What?
Looking at it.
What? That's a big head. I don't know.
It's a big head. Look in there.
What?
Curry.
You curried your hair. How did that happen?
I don't know.
Oh boy, the kids aren't even home yet. We're already currying the baby's head. Wow. Hello, Coop. We're back. So, quick inventory. Figure I'd go to the place to give you guys an idea. First up, mosquito netting. That's actually not for the coop. That's actually for the... Hold on, wait for it. We're going to put the mosquito net in the top of the 2 tanks where the lid's open so we don't harbor mosquitoes. Step 1. Ooh. Leak sealer for the zinc. Oh, hold on. Don't worry, man. The house is soon ready. Okay? You good? Checking it out? Yeah. Gonna need a few more days. You want to come here and check it out? Yeah? You coming in? No? Oh, okay. See you soon. Real estate in the chicken world must be hard to come by. They're even checking out the house before it's even finished builds. Anyway. Here we go. Pliers to cut the chicken wire. Cool. Now we've got a couple of these smaller lock brackets, because remember, this door here, in theory, will have two doors opening this way, and we'll put a latch on there because this is where I'm going to be able to clean it out. So, a couple of those. We'll also have one for the back there to close the nest box lid. A big Mondo hinges for the door. It's going over there in the near future, once we make it. And these are our smaller hinges for the doors. I think are going to go on right here. Yep. Oh my goodness, it could work. Hold on, I'm shooting a promo. Non-sponsored. Custom Coops, that's what we're going to call it. Another hinge. Another hinge. I think I bought too many hinges, but I'd rather buy too many than not enough. Yeah. And zinc nails to prevent leaking. And more hinges. Is that it? That's it. Hey, I didn't call for backup. Don't leave me here with him. Really? What happened? Hey, you want to check out your new home? You want to check? You lost your money?
Yeah, the money.
Oh no. Well, guess what? Look at this new home I built. Oh, you found it. Yeah? You want to move in? Okay, you really don't care. Man, kids are hard to impress these days, but you give them a $5 coin and they're good. Now you know. Bedtime. Shh. 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 Bedtime. Shh. Okay, there's number one. No, I know. I said the same thing with my peace and quiet. No. No, it's Junior. Oh. What? Good evening, Junior. I bought the mesh, but I have not put them on yet. No. So, how was your day?
Fine.
Fine?
Yeah, but we're not getting no work.
Oh no!
We're not getting no work.
Why didn't you do any work today?
Call to that.
Oh, that's right. It was burger day.
Yeah.
So you didn't do any schoolwork. How was the burger?
In burger, we got chicken burger.
Ooh, how was it?
Fine. Yeah, we got beef burger.
How do you know what Dave got?
Eh? When they go by class.
I bet you did. So what did you guys do all day?
Oh, you want to work with them? You want to see?
Of course. Where's Dave, Junior?
I never bring us some from school.
Uh-huh.
I forgot it.
What you
And a
doing?
pencil.
You lost your pencil?
No, I forgot it. No, I never have no pencil.
Where's the pencil from this morning?
Eh? I
Where's-
never take up here.
Why not?
I forgot it. With this snack.
Oh boy. I know, hold on. Yes.
I'm running the Mahrez.
I know, there's dirty feet. Great, just, yeah. Okay, new chair. Cool, what's your work?
This book.
Ooh.
Oh, no. Eh?
Anything else?
Yeah. Dad, I want a new book.
Oh, what happened to your old book?
And this.
What did we do today? Subject, science. We're looking at transplanting. Cool. We can do that for homework, sure. All
We don't
right.
get no warmer.
And where's Dave?
I'm going to remember.
Oh, yeah, you left him to go trim.
I'm going to do one.
Oh, and there's more.
This one.
Oh, the top roots and the fibrous roots. Very cool. Well, if you go change, maybe we can go to the back and start assembling some things in the coop.
What I miss?
Well, we got a door to put on that I would love help with.
Come right.
First one's home. Here we go. Wait, Junior has a question. What?
Oh, W, that famous on P, right?
That's not W, Junior. That's a word.
What?
That says walls.
Come here, Tuan.
Yes, you have the walls to wipe off tonight. Each day I'm going to write a chore on there for you guys based on what you haven't done. What does it look like? What is this? Plates, Junior.
Plates. What is?
What does it look like?
Room.
Sweep rooms. Good. Now you know everybody's chores for the day. Charge. Okay, I was about to go bathe and beat the cold weather, but somebody insisted, no, hey, we gotta do something productive with the coop today. So I said, fine, we're gonna put on the side window door. Okay? Okay? Here we go. Junior, find another piece like this, if you can, this thick. You probably need to put your slippers back on. This is a work site. We shouldn't be barefoot. Put your slippers. That was my level.
I'm fine.
Go. What are you to find?
Yeah.
A piece this thick.
This thick. A piece this thick.
No, it's too thick, Junior.
But because I want piece this thick.
Get out of the way.
One piece thick. One piece thick. Just have to cut. Just have to cut it easily.
Junior, it's too thick.
Alright. This piece now is going to fit it. This to fit?
That's good. That'll work.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. We'll keep going. So, there it is. Oh, and there's Mario. He's going to give us a live demonstration of how the door works. Mario, take it away. The door is shut. Now hold on. The door opened by itself. There'll be a latch on it tomorrow. I have it. Next episode, the latch will be there. So let's say you want to clean out the coop. What do? Pretend to unlatch it and you brush, but you got to open the door.
I don't want this in there.
Ah, and you open it up. Any questions?
Yeah, me have a question.
Craig has a question.
No.
This wasn't part of the script. We were supposed to show only the good stuff. That's not even the door, Craig. No, go back out. Go through the door. Through the door. Hold on. Through the door. Over the little step. Into the coop. Turn on the light. Exactly. Anyway, yes, Craig. What is it?
So when you fall in here, I put them there, so when they might climb up.
There's going to be a ladder, Craig, from that middle part all the way down here.
Yeah.
I put some clasps here, so
they're going to dig out the dirt, eat worms, do whatever. It's going to work. It's going to work. Any questions?
no.
Cool. Doors are shut. Junior, have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
right, everybody say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Well, I thought we were gonna go in, but Mario insisted that the door needs to shut because it won't stay shut on its own. So he's gone for the screwdriver. Mario, hello, can you hear me? Clap twice if you're in danger. That was 3 times, Craig. Must be fine. Good, Craig, that was 2. And now we're gonna put the thing on the door and get inside. Ackee and shellfish and boiled dumplings tonight. That's the Ackee face of happiness right there. Mario, I swear, do not lose the screw, man. Oh, I guess we're going screw hunting now. Sweet. Well, unfortunately, we ran out of light, and I need to get a little nail to start these, because otherwise it's going to strip.
Yeah, right.
Thank you for sharing that, Craig. But I need to get a nail, and it'd be probably the best idea to trace the holes before we do it.
Dark.
I know, Craig. We got to go in, man. But the class will go on tomorrow. Next episode, stick around. Mesh is going on, and the Coop, be ready for some paint. So much for sticking around. Craig's already leaving. All right, then. Well, let's wonder what's for dinner. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Alright, we did it. We survived another day. Although homework hasn't happened yet because it's been a late night of chicken cooping and regrouping and showing off a little bit. And Dave got a trim and Craig got cranberry water. And so it's been a fun day of some T&Q, and Sonia and I got some traveling in to Highgate. Picked up some things from the list that the boys wanted and that we wanted. And got some fun times with the grandson, and now Dave's going to start us off with what he's thankful for.
Thank you for giving the food, Sonia. And I thank God said I win the race.
You guys had a race today? And you got first again? Nice, good job.
Mochi. Alright. What is it?
No, Sonia.
Junior.
So yeah, I want to say thanks for cooking the food and thanks for providing food.
And what else are you thankful for about what happened with your day?
And the word.
You did your work today? Did you get it right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it right? But at least you did your best, I hope? Cool.
If you can get anything.
You know what's Sonia?
So what I want to say, yeah, thank you, Craig, for picking the ackee off the tree and not to fall out.
Praise the Lord.
And thank God they never drop anyway, because that would be a big problem. Yeah. Thank the Lord for helping me to provide this meal so everybody can get to eat, and I wash all you guys' clothes today.
Oh.
Alright. All are we?
Thank you.
Thank you for cooking this food.
You're welcome.
And thank you for letting the food.
And what else?
I'm not doing no work.
And what?
One work to do.
Okay. What was it?
Show us to the maths. Our show us to ask you science. Science.
Alright, and I'm thankful for Dave's patience, who
Impatient.
really tried.
Let's see a boy first time.
Sonia, should we eat?
Yes.
Thank the Lord and bless this food as we about to partake. In Jesus' name, praise. Amen.
Amen.
Oh, I know what you're thinking. It's like, oh, we're going to relax into the evening and have a good time and just peace and quiet. No, it's homework time now. So it's time to find some homework. Dave, what are you working on tonight? What is that? Data and graphing worksheet. That's the
grade 3.
wow. That's so this one's for grade 3, but this is the intro one, and then we're gonna do a harder one after that.
No.
So yeah. No, of course not.
And give me one like this,
Anyway, time to print some homework for the boys so they can earn some allowance. And
yeah.
I hear. You hear?
More.
No, he doesn't.
Eh?
Here we go. Well, that's it for the night. Homework got done. Kids are mostly clean. Walls are wiped. Rooms have been swept. Dishes are done. And Dave's enjoying the last of his cake. Dave, how's your cake?
Good.
Alright, you can have your cake and eat it too. See you on the other side.